What is the author's point of view? At this point, we probably remember that point of view is how an author looks at a topic. We also know that when reading paragraphs, we can look for positive or negative language in order to figure out if the author has an extreme point of view in one direction or another. Sometimes, however, this can be tricky. Let's try a tougher example. Eliminating the subjects of English, history, and social science from curricula would be a dangerous decision. In fact, the liberal arts were once the cornerstone of curricula in American schools. Students need communication and critical thinking skills in order to contribute to society or succeed in a workplace. The need for those skills has not disappeared with the onslaught of digital technology. On the contrary, the need for liberal arts and the skills it provides has only increased. At first glance, I notice a lot of negative language in this paragraph. I see the words eliminating, dangerous decision, disappeared, and onslaught. So the author must have a negative point of view toward liberal arts, which is the topic of the text, right? Not quite. I read the sentences where I found negative language more carefully. It says, eliminating the subjects of English, history, and social science from curricula would be a dangerous decision. In other words, taking away opportunities for students to study liberal arts would be dangerous. If taking something away would be a bad thing, then having it there would actually be a good thing. And as we keep reading, we notice that the author does have a positive point of view toward these classes. The author describes that liberal arts were once a cornerstone of curricula and that students need them. When we see this language down here, it says the need for the skills has not disappeared. So be careful about tricky language when trying to determine point of view. Pay attention to what exactly an author is describing. And remember to reread your paragraphs before you decide.